I am back here in Manila. So lahat sila may jowa, ako lang wala. Kakatamad yung life, antok na antok pa ako guys. Antok na antok pa ako. My room is so messy guys. They don't know that I got home. There you go, spread love. Hello. I'm actually looking for sea urchins. And we're going to eat it. Yeah! It means I gained weight. It means tumaba ako. Alam mo guys, overpacker kasi ako. I really tried my best to pack light. I hope light na to. So, i-close ko na to. I hope ma-close ko siya. Okay na to. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And it's Feb 26, 2025. It's a Friday. It's already 11 a.m. and I am back here in Manila. That's the reason why late ako nagising ngayon kasi 1 a.m. na ako nakarating dito sa bahay and nakatulog ako around 3 a.m. ata. And ang dami kong kailangan gawin today kasi tomorrow lilipad na naman ako papuntang Ilocos to attend Jay's wedding. And kailangan ko mag-unpack. And then, kailangan ko mag-pack again for Ilocos. And then, hindi pa ako kumakain. And may edit din ako. Parang ang dami kong need i-prepare for tomorrow. Kasi we will be staying in Ilocos for 3 days and 2 nights with my college friends. So, lahat sila may jowa. Ako lang wala. So, 7th wheel ako. And including the newlywed, 9th wheel ako, gano'n. Pero that's okay, that's not a problem at all. And never ka mauupi sa barkadahan namin. Never ka mauupi sa friendship namin. If ever mag-vlog kami, first time ko sila ipapakita dito sa YouTube channel ko. And I'm very excited actually kasi this is actually our first official out-of-town trip na most of us kasama. Hindi lang makakasama si Chin, si Nat, and si Almira, and si Oliver. And nakalimutan ko i-charge yung phone ko. So after this, I'm going to charge my phone a little bit and then I'll show you ano mangyayari sa araw ko ngayon. It's just a simple day. It's just that new location because I'm back here in my room. And I'm not sure kung pupunta akong SM Sukat ngayon to buy some few stuff for our travel. So let's get moving, guys. And I'm eating kay Mito for dessert. And kahit nandito sa Manila, seafood pa din, no? Alimasag pa din. Wala. Kami kasi mahilig talaga kami sa seafood, kaming family. So now guys, I ordered something from Shein and ito yung dress na susuotin ko sa wedding ni Jay. So let's unpack it. Super simple dress lang to guys. And sinunod lang natin yung color ng theme nila. It's a church wedding pero yung reception, it's a garden. And I ordered something like this. It's just a simple dress. And parang ayoko yung texture ng tela. Pero sige na nga, na-order na eh. There you go. It's a long dress. And makikita nyo tong suot ko sa wedding ni Jay. Tinatamad ako isukat, so sa wedding na lang ni Jay. I'm gonna charge my phone and while charging, I'm going to edit something. And later on, I'm going to unpack na talaga. Kakatamad yung life. Antok na antok pa ako, guys. Antok na antok pa ako. And nakaligo naman ako kanina. Mukha lang akong hindi naligo. And ganito talaga yung mga suotan ko dito lang sa bahay. Loose shirt, ganyan, para komportable. And then, loose shorts. So, I'm gonna charge this phone lang. Kasi, I'm just using my phone to film everything. Wala pa ako yung DJI ba yun na, small camera. Kailan kaya? So, kailan kaya ako magkakaroon ng ganun? Anyway, I'm gonna charge this phone and then gonna edit something. Guys, just an update. Hindi ko na nagawa yung pag-edit. what I did is, I already checked in online. And then, second is, chikahan a little bit with my college friends sa chat about sa travel. And then, when I decided na mag-unpack na ako, dumating yung mga pamangkin ko and si Ate Camille. So, another chikahan. They don't know that I got home! Say hi to my vlog. Kuya, come here! Kuya!
Kuya!
Come here! Inside my room. My room is so messy, guys. Come here, say hi to my vlog. I'm actually vlogging.
Hello!
Yes! You miss Andre?
Yes. I love Andre. Because he's my cousin.
What do you want to say to the vlog?
Heart.
Heart. Spread love. Spread love. There you go. Spread love. Have you watched my latest video?
Yes.
Which one?
I remember when watching this. I like watching
This one. Have you watched this?
I didn't watch that, but I thought it's
I
very
watched that
delicious.
now. You eat. Yeah, you taste it because yum, yum, yum.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one. This one.
It looks
This
yummy.
one. This one.
Yeah, I watched that.
You watch this one?
Yes. Are you collecting something?
Yes. I'm actually looking for sea urchins.
You ready?
And we're going to eat it.
Cucumber.
Yeah!
Cucumber.
Sea cucumber. Kanina, while nagchichikahan kami, I already unpacked this bag. So, wala na tong laman. So, ngayon guys, I'm going to unpack this big luggage. Kasi meron pa ako mga damit dito na hindi natuyo. Dinala ko siya ng basa. So, for sure, amoy ano na yun. Amoy nakulob na. So, baka nahawa na din yung ibang damit. So, open na natin. Sorry guys, my room is a mess. At maliit lang naman din yung room ko. Sana makita niyo. Kasi tanggalin ko na itong sticker. And going to Ilocos, hindi ito yung gagamitin kong luggage. Hihiram ako kay mama ng mas maliit kasi wala akong check-in baggage. Hand carry lang yung allowed sa akin. And it's just 7 kilos. So, sobrang dami nitong laman. Puro damit. Kasi nga, ilang days ako na nasa Cebu. So, una kong nilagay sa bag na binili ko sa Bantayan. Ito yung mga siningit kong gamit. Yan. Yan lang. And then, the rest, all, ano na siya, damit. Amoy kulob na. Ito yung mga damit na hindi natuyo. Lagyan natin dyan para malabhan ulit. Yan, babalik lang din ulit yan sa mga cabinet ko. Mga hindi ko nasuot or parang nasuot ko tapos napalabhan ko. Ito kay Jayron, hiniram ko yan. Tapos ito kay Dane, naiwan niya sa Cebu. And then, shirt. Ito kay mama to. Babalik din natin. Alam mo guys, overpacker kasi ako. Just in case, yung mga extra damit. Just in case, ganun. Just in case pumunta ng city. Just in case kailangan ng formal na damit. Just in case biglang may kailangan attenda na event. Just in case na, ano pa ba? Ma-extend, gano'n. So, ang dami kong just in case clothes every time na umaalis ako. Pero for the Ilocos trip, I'm not sure. Siguro dadala lang ako ng sapat kasi 7 kg nga lang yung available sa akin. And actually, lahat ng damit na I think na isusuot ko sa Ilocos, nasuot ko na before. Hindi na ako bumili kasi wala naman tayong work ngayon, wala tayong budget. So, let's just stick with the clothes I have. Ay, nako, yan, mga balik sa closet lang. And then the next, is yung mga papalaban. Ito, di ko siya. Ito, okay naman. Alam mo guys, ngayon, na-appreciate ko na yung mga loose shirts. Kasi before, lagi akong crop top, laging yung tight clothes, tight blouse, tight tops. Ngayon, na-appreciate ko na yung loose shirt. Kasi, pala. I mean, kapag lumalabas dito kasi sa bahay, lagi talagang loose shirts. Pero, pag lumalabas, laging, yun nga, masikip. Hindi naman masikip, yung parang hapit sa katawan. And ngayon, na-appreciate ko na yung loose shirt kapag umaalis kasi nakakahinga ako. It means I gain weight. It means tumaba ako. So, ang tawag niyan, ang sarap sa feeling ng nakakahinga yung balat, nakakahinga yung tiyan, ganun. Alam mo yun? Na-appreciate ko na siya. So, kapag bibigyan niyo ako ng something, give me loose shirts. Give me oversized shirts. Kala mo talaga may magbibigay. Hindi ko alam. Parang, sige na. Papalaban na yan. Then, this means so, ibabalik ko lang sa closet lahat ng mga damit na hindi ko nasuot, and then magpapalaban na ako ng mga damit ng mga basa pa, and also yung mga used clothes, and hopefully matuyo siya by tomorrow. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko mag-pack ng gamit na dadalhin ko sa Ilocos. See you in a bit. Hey guys, it's almost 9 p.m. and nakaligo na ako, nakapantulog na din. And what I did a while ago is nilagay ko na sa cabinet lahat ng clean clothes ko from Cebu, and then yung mga dirty clothes nandito na din sa laundry, and ipapalaba ko yan this weekend. At yung mga wet clothes na dadalhin ko tomorrow sa Ilocos, pinauna ko na siyang pinalaba. So, pinapatuyo pa siya, and mamaya, itatapat ko siya sa electric fan kasi hindi ako confident na matutuyo siya sa labas. Nakapili na din ako ng mga damit na dadalhin ko and everything. So, now I'm going to pack everything here. Ito yung maleta na dadalhin ko. Kay mama talaga to. So, ihiramin ko lang. Kasi wala naman akong ganitong maleta na maliit. So, ayan. I'm going to pack everything now. Except for the wet clothes na nasa labas pa. So, okay, open na natin. Hindi siya kita, no? Okay, I'm going to adjust this. Ayan. Okay, and since 7 kg lang yung allowed, i-make sure natin na konti lang yung dadalhin. So, first, clothes. Ito yung mga clothes ko. Explain ko sa inyo ano yung mga to. For the sleepwears, I'm going to bring 3. Then, hopefully, lahat ng clothes ko kasya dito para yung mga gamit na iba, na accessories, everything, makeup, essentials, dito ko siya ilalagay. So, 3 sleepwears, and then 2 swimsuits, just in case na mag-swimming kami doon sa Blue Lagoon and also dun sa Cabigan Falls. I'm not sure kung kaya ng oras, pero nagdala na din ako just in case. And then, for the wedding, ito yung dress na to. Sobrang simple lang. And, of course, cycling. I'm going to bring more cyclings pa, kaso nasa pa din siya, nasa Sampayan. So, tomorrow ko na siya ilalagay dito sa maleta. And then, for the day 1, I'm going to use this dress. Just that dress. And then, for the day 2, this dress. Long dress. And then, not sure kung magsa-sand dunes kami, pero na-mention naman yun ng mga friends ko. So, if ever mag-sand dunes kami, I'm going to wear this. Yan, ganyan ako mag-pack. Ginaya ko lang kay Ate Monique. Shout out kay Ate Monique. Ginaya ko lang siya. So, kapag nagpapak ako, tinutupi ko siya ng maliliit. Tapos, naka-arrange siya ng ganyan. There. And then, eto yung mga just in case clothes. 2 sets. This one and then this one. And then, of course, my clothes going home. Then, we're good. For the clothes, ang kulang na lang talaga dito is yung panties, bras, and more cycling. Then, there you go. So, kapag tuyo na yung yung mga underwears ko, dito ko lang din siya ilalagay. This is my towel. Very maliit and manipis. And, mabilis siyang matuyo. Saan ko nga ba nabili to? I'll just put the link below. Slippers and heels for the wedding. Hindi na ako nagdala ng heels na sobrang taas kasi ayoko na magdala. Ayoko na ding mahirapan. So, ang dinala kong sandals is 1-inch heel lang. Very cute lang siya. Makeup and makeup brushes. Bags. Essentials. Jewelries. And for the hair, ito sa essentials bag, nandito na yung mga lotion, deodorant, comb, Lucas Papaw, of lotion, and everything. For the bags, I'm going to bring 3, except for this bag that I'm going to use going there. So, I have 3 bags. This one, sling. This one na nabili ko sa Bantayan. And then, another bag for the wedding. So, yan lang naman yung secret sa pagpapake. Trial and error talaga siya. Kung saan siya magkasya. Ganun. And, I think that's all. This one, my bag. Ilalagay ko dito yung wallet ko. Of course, yung cellphone ko. May PWD ID. Eyeglass cleaner. Earplugs. Alcohol, kating ko, and then my Alnix Plus for my allergies, ponytail, my lip balm. Thank you, Ate Monique, for this. I think that's all. That's all that I'm gonna bring. I really tried my best to pack light. I hope light na to. Kasi isipin mo, dalawa lang yung just in case clothes ko. Ako ba talaga yun? We will be staying kasi sa Ilocos for 4 days and 3 nights. So, sana okay na to. Puro dress lang yung dinala ko para very maliit lang kapag nilagay dito sa maleta. Hindi bulky. Yun lang, actually. Wala na. So, i-close ko na to. I hope ma-close ko siya. Nakapag-check-in na din ako. Ay, nasabi ko na nga pala kanina. Nakapag-check-in na din ako. And, there. I'm good to go. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'm gonna see you on my next one. Bye!